Hello students. Now, dear students, 11, 12 science, English medium, change the voice, dear students, active into passive, passive into active voice. Not. There are two ways of expressing an action by using a transitive verb. Read the following sentences. Again, just you understand the basic knot of change the voice or active into passive. There are two ways of expressing an action by using a transitive verb. Example number 1 you can see here. Ram drinks tea. Ram drinks tea. It's an active voice because Ram is doing action. Who drinks tea? Ram drinks tea. Okay, so Ram is a main subject and he is doing the action. Now here you see the passive voice. Object tea. Tea is singular. This is the sentence of simple present tense because you see behind the verb s. So, tea is singular, tea is now verb 3 drunk by Ram. Okay. These two sentences have the same meaning. These two sentences have the same meaning. These are simply two different ways of saying the same thing. Dear students, now see active voice, passive voice. Active voice, a subject like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, or any name, Tina, Mina, Dika, X, Y, Z, or plural name. Now you see object of the subject. If there is a I, you have to transfer by me. और एक्टिव में जाना है आपको तो मी का हो जाएगा आई. ओके. और पैसिव में जाना है तो आई का बाय मी. I by me, we by us, you by you, he by him, she by her, it by it, they by them, or any name. Okay, Tina, Mina, Dika. Just you can say that by Tina, by Mina, by Dika. Just like that. Now, dear students, we have to learn around 15, 16, 17 types of sentences. Okay, let's see. Simple present tense. In simple present tense, there is an affirmative sentence. Number 1, affirmative. Just you see the structure of voice, active and passive. Active voice, a subject plus verb. If the subject is third person singular or any name, then s or es plus object plus other words. Now for change into passive voice, object, we have to select object. Now we have to see object is singular or plural. Then we have to take is or am or are. तीनों में से कोई भी एक लेना है. Plus verb 3. You see that verb 3 past participle plus by plus subject plus other words. Now negative sentence, dear students. Negative sentence, active voice. Subject plus do, does, plus not, plus verb 1, plus object, plus other words. Now negative in simple present tense, dear students, you have already seen tenses. Okay, so do, does, not, verb 1. Now passive voice, first of all you have to take object plus see the object singular plural, then is, am, are. Do, does की जगह पर is, am, are plus negative not plus verb 3. verb 1 था उसका verb 3 plus by plus subject plus other words. Now dear students, third type of sentence, interrogative sentences in simple present tense. एक्टिव वॉइस वाला सेंटेंस कैसे होगा? नाउ डू और डस प्लस सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब 1 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस अदर वर्ड्स प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क्स. नाउ वी हैव टू चेंज इन पैसिव वॉइस. First of all, see the object, then select is or am or are, तीनों में से कोई भी एक, plus verb 3 plus by plus subject plus other words. Same we can do if we want to change the sentence into active voice. Okay, if the sentence is in the examination in do as directed, sentence is given in a passive voice, and we'll ask that change into active voice, then we have to go in that way. Okay, so this structure is just for idea. Now you have to go for practical. Okay, so you see the example number 1, Ketan plays cricket daily. So cricket is played by Ketan daily. You see that play is simple present tense. Cricket, subject plus verb, okay, plus object plus other words. Now first of all, cricket singular, so is. Why is? Because there is a simple present tense, is played by किसके द्वारा? Ketan, other words last. He calls me every day. He calls me every day means here you see the me, then you take I am called by him every day. Okay, now see the sentence, s लगा हुआ है यानी simple present tense, dear students. Now third, Mr. Jani teaches English daily. You see teaches, simple present tense. Here is the object, English, E capital, English is taught, teaches का taught by Mr. Jani daily. Now number 4, Tina and Meena always sing songs. You see always, simple present tense. Sing, verb 1, songs object. Now songs प्लूरल है इसीलिए आर, सॉन्ग्स आर ऑलवेज संग बाय टीना एंड मीना, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ यू सी इंट्रोगेटिव, डू यू स्पीक इंग्लिश रेगुलरली, क्वेश्चन मार्क्स. सो डू हेल्पिंग वर्ब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. Okay, now subject, now verb 1, this is the object, this is the other words. Now English language की बात हो रही है, सिंगुलर में जाएगा, so do निकलेगा. Is English spoken by you regularly, question marks. Dear students, if there is a question marks in active, then we have to put a question marks into passive voice also. Okay, otherwise your half marks will be cut. Now does Mr. Patel check the papers mostly? Now you see the papers. Okay, so are the papers checked by किसके द्वारा? Mr. Patel. Other words mostly, question marks, question marks, question marks. We do not write the letters daily. Now you see the daily and do not, it's a represent, simple present tense. The letters plural. The letters are not written by us daily. This is the negative sentence. Okay. My brother does not pay the bill of Zomato every day. This is the negative simple present tense. So the bill of Zomato पूरा ले लिया. Okay, is not paid by my brother every day. Okay, dear students, अब we have to see WH or how questions and who वाले questions. Okay, in the next video, dear students.